New Year, a day of new hopes, dreams, a day so great, a day to celebrate. So, why we should wait? Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I, Shreya Katyal, welcome you all to today's talk. I'm at Shrifort Auditorium celebrating the Chinese New Year. So, let's visit the event, talk to the dignitaries and the guests present here, and see what's happening around.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to join Happy Chinese New Year celebration hosted by the Chinese Embassy in India. My name is Mei Xin from Culture and Educational Department in Chinese Embassy.
आज के होश वॉशन त्योहार नामक समारोह में भाग लेने के लिए आप सभी लोगों को हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ। इस समारोह को चीन दूतावास द्वारा आयोजित किया जाता है।
Thanks for joining us tonight. The Chinese New Year of 2019 will be starting from February 5th. According to the lunar calendar, there are 12 animals representing 12 rotating years. It is the year of pig. Like Diwali festival in India, it is the festival for us to get family reunion. Tonight, we all are gathering here to celebrate the Chinese New Year with all of our Indian friends. This evening, it is great honor for us to have Mr. Luo Zhaohui, Ambassador of the Chinese Embassy in India, and Dr. Jiang Yili. And also it is our great privilege for us to have Mr. Suresh Prabh, the Honorable Minister of Commerce and Industry, and his wife, Mrs. Wu Ma Prabh, as our chief guests. Welcome.
The year of Holy Dog is an extraordinary year in the history of China-India relations. President Xi Jinping met Prime Minister Modi Ji in Wuhan. They hold a historic informal summit. Our bilateral relations right now is on the fast track. In China, watching Bollywood movies, practicing yoga, and testing Darjeeling tea have become fashionable among the youth. The movie Awara, recent days, the movie Dango had a even better box office in China than in India. 2 months ago, I went to Bollywood and got a chance to call Bachchan, Amitabh Bachchan, and also called Amir Khan. These two famous movie stars in China, they have 100,000 fans in China.
Now let's enjoy the opening song and dance program called Praise.
It's a pleasure to have you here at the Chinese New Year celebration. We would like to have your blessings and some words for them.
China, we are both artists, neighbors, but we share a lot of civilization, cultural heritage. So we have been observing the New Year, not necessarily in the calendar year, depending upon the seasonal changes that take place. Both cultures being so rich in nature, I have definitely been celebrating New Year at the beginning of spring. It's a Chinese New Year. I wish all my friends from China really a happy New Year, wishing them well, and I'm sure when they meet their family, because millions of Chinese go back home, meet their families as a family reunion, and again go back to work after that. So I wish them all the best, and I'm really hoping that nature will be very kind to everybody, so that we don't have to face natural calamities. At the same time, I'm sure India-China relationship will grow in strength and become good, mutually beneficial for all of us.
Definitely, sir, because separation is an illusion and oneness is the ultimate reality. We grow together, we celebrate together, and that's how we all prosper.
What a lovely program, so well designed. There are about 67 artists who have all flown from China to India for this one particular program. I'm very happy that our Honorable Minister for Commerce, he was here as a chief guest, and the Chinese ambassador, he's here right now. It's my good luck I'm here because I'm also chairing Indo-China Film and Culture Forum. And we're working together with the embassy along with some other Chinese company, also a joint venture for a feature film. We are working on an exchange program, student exchange program, faculty exchange program, culture exchange program, and things like that. And we've recently designed a scholarship for a deserving student from China. So that's how I'm connected to China, and it's a huge country. They have developed very well. They're doing so well. I think we Indians must learn something from China. The unity, the integrity, the hard work which Chinese have put into their country, and they brought the whole country to such a wonderful position.
That's very much evident through this function. There's huge crowd over here and so much of excitement and enthusiasm. I would like to know from your side that what do you believe that such kind of events, what importance do they hold?
Two governments, they're trying the level best to bring in the governments of two countries together, but the best way to bring in people of two countries is through only culture programs. Now, if you can see for yourself that the whole auditorium is full, half are the Chinese, half are Indians. Indians are enjoying much more than what even Chinese are enjoying. And you are learning the Chinese art, Chinese dances, Chinese music, their way of living, their culture, their clothes. Look at the garments, the costume they're wearing, which is representing probably the different parts of the China, and also look at the music, which is so different from India. Look at the drums beat, which is so powerful. So I think one cultural program is always a learning experience, and it's an education actually. And what you cannot read in books, you can always see in these kind of culture programs.
Very true. Definitely, we can see that and their aesthetic sense, the way they carry, and the dances, the costumes, as you explained us and showed us. Thanks for talking to MSTV, and keep on inspiring people and keep on sharing your knowledge with us. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hi, very happy New Year. So I want to know from your side that how you are feeling today.
I'm very happy to hear.
Hi, what's your name?
Fiona.
Hi, Fiona. Happy New Year.
Yeah, thank you. Happy New Year.
So I would like to know that how you're feeling today.
I'm feeling excited to have this Chinese New Year celebration in India. This makes me feel at home in India, and of course this makes me feel excited and miss my hometown.
That's beautiful. One question I have for you, that is, when it's New Year, what is the most important thing in your mind? Like, what is New Year for you? What do you want, or something that comes to your mind?
New Year means whole family get together. That's most important for me.
For me, New Year's like a great celebration, and that day I just feel very happy.
Okay, so we are happy to hear that you feel happy at New Year, but then how do you celebrate New Year?
Well, I just have fun with my, parents and friends,
That's beautiful. So, have you planned something today?
just to come here and watch the performance and go home and celebrate.
How was the experience today at this event?
Pretty nice.
I would like to know your experience at today's Chinese New Year celebration.
It was pretty good actually. Like we really enjoyed. Most of all, it was an experience to learn for the students as well as us how to manage the sound and the stage sound and the performances as well. Because coming from performing arts department, yes, it is necessary to experience all of this because that's how we will grow.
True, very true. The best kind of learning is that is beyond four walls, and these kind of events are beyond those four walls. Sir, आपका experience कैसा रहा? आप ये बताइए.
कोऑर्डिनेशन बहुत अच्छा था. आपस का इनका जो परफॉर्मेंस लेवल था दैट वाज वेरी प्रोफेशनल एंड स्टूडेंट्स को ये देखना बहुत ज़रूरी है, जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि ऑन स्टेज आपकी क्या प्रेजेंस होनी चाहिए, किस तरह का कोऑर्डिनेशन होना चाहिए. वही दिखाने के लिए हम लेके आए थे स्टूडेंट्स को. तो दैट वाज अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस एक्चुअली.
So I'm so happy that you guys enjoyed it, and I also witnessed the proficiency they had. So it was really amazing and worth visiting it. Thank you. Thanks for sharing your experience with MSTV. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Adiba Kareem. I am doing Bachelor's in Performing Arts from Marva Studio.
What's your name?
My name is Ranosh. I'm doing BPA from Marva Studios.
That's beautiful. तो आज आप लोगों ने एक Chinese New Year celebration witness करी है. I would like to know कि यहाँ पे आपने क्या देखा?
It was a good experience for us because China में music का बहुत अलग level है. Their songs, their harmonies are very different from India music, and even the dance forms are very different, very unique. So हमारे लिए बहुत creative and बहुत innovative चीज़ थी वो.
That's beautiful. अच्छा, आप एक performing arts के student हैं, music सीखते हैं, बजाते हैं, गाते हैं. मुझे ये बताइए कि music की, dances की, इन सब चीज़ों की आपकी life में क्या value है?
मैम एक्चुअली इन सब का बहुत ज़्यादा वैल्यू है बिकॉज दिस इज़ व्हाट मेक्स मी. सो आई एम लाइक वेरी ब्लेस्ड टू कम हियर एंड आई फील कि ऐसे प्रोग्राम्स जो हमारा कॉलेज कर रहा है इट शुड बी लाइक ऑफन ऐसे होना चाहिए बिकॉज लाइक आज हमने जैसे देखा कि कितने सारे वैरायटी ऑफ डांसेस भी हुए. सम मैजिक शोज वर आल्सो देयर. सो इट वाज ऑल ऑसम एंड वी एंजॉयड अ लॉट.
It was so vibrant to see beautiful dances, beautiful music, and so much of enthusiasm all around. I really enjoyed it. What I got to know is that family is so important for the Chinese people. New Year is a time to celebrate with your family, your closed ones, the people you say that you care for. I, Shreya Katyal, sign off for the day, but I'll be back with another amazing event for you. Till then, you keep watching MSTV, हर पर आपके साथ, and don't forget to stay connected.